guys, just got this shipped in from Apple, so let's just get started with unboxing. So here's the latest iPad Pro. There's not much to show you around the box. On the bottom, you're gonna see the serial number, and that's about it. Just how many gigs it's got and all that stuff. Let's just open up the box. We're gonna see these tabs on the sides. On both sides, actually. Just open those up, and then we just take this out. So somebody told me that the reason why they put that much pressure into just taking this out is to build that anticipation from you. I don't know how much of that is true, but anyways. So right here we have the iPad. I'm just gonna put that on the side so you guys can see what's inside the box. After all, this is an unboxing video, and you're gonna get to see that, exactly what's inside the box. Let's just take everything out, actually. And that's it. So at this point in time, you're seeing everything that you get inside the box. So you do get a charger, luckily, because these guys don't come with iPhones anymore. So it's kind of nice that they still include them with iPads, although it's something that they should always include even with iPhones. It's just a weird thing they don't. USB-C cable. So I'm just going to take out this cable so you guys can see around it. This is the original cable. Again, I bought this straight from Apple, so can't get more original than that. So here is the cable. I'm gonna try to do a zoom in so you guys can see if there's anything on it. I can already tell you there's really nothing. I guess the smallest markings would be up there, which is almost impossible to get something on, but let me see. All right, so there's some tiny writing there, which is almost impossible to see. I'm trying to zoom in as much as possible. It's very hard to see, but there you go. That's the writing that you would see on original Apple cable. That's for your iPad. Other than that, on the cable itself, there's no markings. There's nothing around the cable itself. So I just showed you the markings that comes with the cable. All right, so this cable, it's just the normal Apple cable. It's USB-C both ways. Okay, so one will go here to your charger, then whichever side to your iPad. So let's take a look at this, your brick. So this is the brick that you guys get with the iPad. Now again, I'm gonna take this out and have you guys take a look at everything. As we'll notice, there's no real markings except for the front. And on the front, here are the markings. Well, here's the information that this shows you, which isn't much, but it tells you a little bit. So that's how you guys can tell if it's a genuine. So that's how you guys can tell if it's a real one or a fake one. Again, this is real, obviously. And then we got our manual stickers and all that stuff that's in here. So let's just take that out. And here are the manuals. So here's the English one. Briefly tells you a little bit about the iPad, but that's about it. I do have a setup video for you guys to see about the iPad, plus a manual, so make sure to check that out. But that's all the paperwork that you guys are gonna get with your iPad, brand new iPad. So it's gonna go right in here. Again, this is an unboxing video, so we just check out exactly what's inside the box, and that's about it. We're not gonna see anything else really from this video. If you guys want to check out this in action, make sure to watch my video about the setup and manual. So here is the iPad. You guys will see some information down here below. There's the camera on the top left hand side. So on the bottom, that's where you charge it, speakers. On the other side, there's not going to be any ports. However, you have your volume keys. On the top, you guys will see your power button. And that's it, just speakers. So when you're taking a look at the ports, there's not going to be anything here, by the way, on that side. It's just down here. That's the only port. There is no SD card slot for your iPad. Now, for those of you who bought an iPad with a SIM card, well, that will have a slot. Just like the iPhone, it's gonna have a slot there. That's just for a SIM card. It's not to expand your storage. It's just to make it work with 3G, well, LTE. But obviously all iPads have Wi-Fi, so you can work with that. And when it comes down to the front of the iPad, there's not much to show, and that's because it's very minimal design. I guess the biggest difference that I can show you between this iPad and others is the camera. It's gonna be there. So instead of being up here or somewhere there, it's gonna be there. So you're gonna be holding this horizontal instead of vertical. You might notice with older generations of iPads, they had the camera always up here or down there, whichever. but now they changed it there, so it's horizontal, which is an interesting choice for sure. And it does make sense because they do advertise your iPad to replace a laptop, which, by the way, it does not. So once again, this is the back of iPad, and there's really not much more to show you about it because that's it. That's all that there is to show you around the iPad itself. It is nice. It's a nice color for sure. You can get fingerprints on this extremely easily. And just to show you how it powers on, so here it is powering on for the first time. That's how it looks like. And again, this is just something briefly. You guys can see this in action in the setup video. But that's how that screen looks like. And it's really nice. I gotta say, you're never gonna really know how this looks like, the screen itself, in a video, because it is a video. So there's only so much I can show you in the video itself, but the resolution, it's something that you have to see for yourselves. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.